Hey everybody, I've been getting a lot of requests lately to Photoshop the infamous Bernie Sanders picture into someone's personal picture. So I'm just going to give you a quick run through on how to do that quickly. So what you'll need preferably is a desktop with Windows 10. So have your two pictures, the one original one that you want, the Bernie one that you're going to crop, as well as one where you're going to put them into. What you want to do with the pictures is right click and edit with Paint 3D. You can see that there. So once the picture comes up, there's a magic select right at the top there. So what you're going to do is close in as close as you can to what you want to crop. Windows has actually made this really simple. So once that's done, there's a next button right over here. And as you see, he's basically highlighted to what you want. There's also an add and remove. So you can click on those and remove certain things that are in the way if you want to get those out of the frame. Once you figure out what you have, hit done. And it'll basically create something that you can work with. So now if you right click on that, copy, open up your other picture you want them in, and do the same way, edit with Paint 3D. So when that picture's open, you basically hover over anywhere you want, right click, hit paste. So now Bernie's there, and then it's a matter of just resizing him and then putting him wherever you want. So once you click off of it, you won't be able to select him again. So make sure you have him exactly where you want. So if you do make a mistake there's always the undo button at the very top, and then you can right click and paste him back in. Once you're done there, menu at the top left, save as, and there you go.